Fooled by her pint-sized pediatrician, she is smaller than most of her pediatric patients, but man, she packs a punch. Suma has worked really hard for this evening and towards the fundraising efforts. It's just unbelievable. If you feel this function was frugal, please do know she tried so hard to keep the administrative cost, the cost of the function to the minimum, as this is an NGO and every dollar that's been raised wanted to be gone towards the efforts in India and over here locally. And as we wrap up evening, a few words from Dr. Suma Manjunath.
Thank you all very much for being such a patient and wonderful audience. I have the honor of thanking a few people tonight that I cannot go without. I really appreciate your patience. But on the other hand, I would love for you all to give yourselves a round of applause for being such a great audience. First of all, I would like to thank my spouse Manju and Siri for supporting me towards this noble cause through and through. Next, I would like to thank Lata and Harish. What can I say? Lata is a planner. She totally helped me throughout the planning process, the execution, and the arts, the whole thing that you saw, the choir decorations, everything. I mean, without her help through and through, this wouldn't be a great success. I would like to thank Harish. Of course, throughout, when we got this idea as a conception, I discussed with all of our board members and I got the total approval from them. And from there on, Harish really step by step kept guiding me how to proceed. And without his strength and support throughout this, we wouldn't have achieved all the success we have had today. And I really thank Harish.
I'll take the bottle of scotch.
Next, I have to thank Suma and Vishwa. I mean, what can I say? These two are like an army of soldiers. They pretty much, once we invited Nikita and invited Vishwa and Suma on the volunteer committee, they went out of their way on a limb to completely help me right, left, and center, starting from fundraising to taking care of the souvenir. I mean, I can go on and on. They were just there for me every day. Lengthy phone conversations and all this, it has really paid off. I have to thank them from the bottom of my heart. And I can see how Nikita can be a great role model as she has such wonderful parents as a role model. I was also incredibly fortunate to have an industrious set of volunteer committee members. First of all, I had Shruti Bekal, Arundhati Kadur, Veena Bhatta, of course Suma Vishwanath, Lata Krishna Rao, and Rekha Neela. Well, I hope you have guessed the common factor here and the success for tonight's program. All of these were women. So please give a big round of applause. Despite all their busy schedules and work commitments and family commitments, they took such a lot of time and effort to help us put this program together today. So thank you all ladies so very much. I also have to thank BP Corporate Matching Program and Fabric of America Fund, GE Corporate Matching Program and Baker Hughes Corporate Matching Program, as all the donations actually essentially doubled. So without their help, we couldn't have raised this kind of money. So thank you for them. And finally, I would like to thank our numerous volunteers who worked tirelessly behind the scenes today for a seamless production. Radha, Kotesh, Alka, Kumar, I can go on and on. Sandeep, Arundhati's husband, Prakash, Veena's husband. I'm so sorry if I've left out any names, but they have worked so much to make this program a success today. Thank you all again. It's time for dinner. Sorry we went over a little bit, but we have wonderful dinner served by Anna. The cafeteria is to the right of the auditorium. There are ushers to guide you all. Please make your way for the dinner hall. Thank you all again and good night.